Good afternoon to everyone. Today we are looking at the concerning issue of the Christian persecution around the world. Global Christian persecution on the rise. Christian persecution is growing concern with 388 million Christians living under high or extreme persecution. In 2026, 4,849 Christians were killed for their faith, and sub-Saharan Africa is the epicenter of this violence. Specific country incident. In India, the Foreign Contribution Regulation Amendment Bill 2026 has sparked fear among Christians that is a target to move to restrict their right and freedom. In Nigeria, Christians are facing a brutal attack with over 3,490 killed in 2026 alone. The Plateau State incident on the Palm Sunday left a dozen dead. In North Korea, being a Christian can lead to imprisonment or even death. In Somalia, Christians face execution or mob violence. In Pakistan, blasphemy laws are often used to target Christians. In Eritrea, independent Christian groups are severely persecuted. According to statistics on 2026, 388 million Christians live under high or extreme persecution. 4,849 Christians killed for their faith in 2026. Sub-Saharan Africa is the epicenter of this violence.